Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix hotspot problem in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18 and now hotspot is not working on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using latest iOS 18. So guys, if you are using iOS 18, you have to simply update it to iOS 18.1. So guys, for that, open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update, and here you can see this iOS 18.1 is available. So I simply update it to iOS 18.1 and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device again and tap on general again, scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings, and give here your passcode and reset all settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.